Magandang buhay! 1, 2, 3, welcome! So, welcome po sa panibago namang vlog ni Michikoy, and as you can see, yan po yung Kala Milk Soap. Si Peppermint po, and it's a product of the Philippines, and let us all support the dairy farmers of the Philippines. Gawa po yan sa Carabao's Milk. So, safe po siya to use daily, and masusubukan natin dyan. Nakikita niyo po, nandyan din po yung expiry date nila. And manufactured by Kala Milk Soap Enterprise from Baliwag, Bulacan. Yan. So, pakita natin yung mamaya yung kanilang website. So, you can check and always support Pinoy-made products. So, yan lang po. Ito mamaya. Kala Milk Soap is handcrafted from Carabao's milk, food-grade virgin coconut oil, and high-quality essential oils. Carabao's milk has the highest content of good butter fat, thus giving it intense moisturizing properties. Essential oils provided additional benefits for the mind and the body. Our soaps do not contain harsh chemicals and toxic ingredients, making it safe for the environment. Kala Milk Soap supports the Carabao dairy farmers of Baliwag, Bulacan. So, to see. Actually, this is my first time na gumamit ko ng ganitong software. And as I said, we are always a supporter of Pinoy-made products. Nakita nyo naman po doon sa packaging, di ba? So, ito po kasi ay hindi binenta sa akin or what. Kaya po siyang pasalubong ka-office mate natin. Yan. So, ito po. Ganito yung itsura niya. Very plain lang po siya, diba? Pero wala kang masasabi naman dito, oh. Parang, alam mo yun, yung mga imported na mga sabon. Ganda siya. So, yung amoy, kailangan mo po. Amoy siya peppermint. Yun yung maamoy mo sa kanya. Pero very light lang po yung smell. So, ngayon, ang nakalagay ko dito, you can use this every day. And check natin kung saan gamitin. Okay, so, hirap po. Okay, so natapos na nga po natin gamitin itong Kala Milk Soap na peppermint. Okay, dahil nga po peppermint siya, so malamig po siya sa buong katawan. So kahit ngayon natapos na po ako maligo, ang feeling ko talagang lamig-lamig ng buong katawan ko po. So, as I have said, please let us support Filipino-made products. Try nyo po kung may mga kaibigan po kayo kakilala, makipadala po kayo niyang Kala Milk Soap.